Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy F12, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, simply pull down your notification panel and look for the battery or power saving mode right here. Tap on it, and there you go, it's right now enabled. Now in this mode, you will lose the Wi-Fi and mobile network when the device goes to sleep, and sleep is basically this kind of state where the screen is locked and you're not using your device. After a couple minutes, it will consider itself to be asleep and disconnect from Wi-Fi and mobile network, and that will result in you not receiving any kind of updates that will require internet connection. So any kind of Instagram, Facebook, whatever post like that, notifications won't be arriving to you till you wake up the device again. So basically when you interact with it. Now once you're done with the power saving mode, you can simply tap on the toggle once more, and this will disable it, and everything will go back to normal. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.